solderability testing. Let WireMasters verify the solderability of your termination and component leads by performing steam aging and dip and look solderability testing per the IPC J/STD-002 standard. This helps ensure that the storage of your material has no adverse effect on the ability to solder components. Performed at temperatures of 230 to 245 degrees Celsius, the procedure includes a dipping mechanism, a solder pot, a low-power microscope, and if applicable, steam aging test samples. Once testing is completed, full paperwork is provided. WireMasters has the capability to perform Instron tensile testing, dielectric proof or spark testing, and dielectric withstand, commonly known as hipot testing. For more information or to order solderability testing, notify your WireMasters account executive or visit wiremasters.com today.